This week, we've got a handy little item to get all your toys ready for winter. Have a look at the battery terminal protector from CRC. Look, I get it. No one likes it, but the fact is the nice weather is in the rearview mirror. So, after taking your trailer, ATV, boat, or any other seasonal vehicle on its last trip of the year, it's crucial to take care of the battery. Now, most people are familiar with the trickle charger, which makes sure the battery's voltage always stays within an acceptable range. So it's recommended to leave your battery hooked up to one of these all winter long until you use it again. But another enemy of a battery is corrosion. This can happen on the terminals for a number of factors, one of which is being left on a charger for the entire winter. So, what do you do when you're putting your vehicle into storage? First, clean up any existing corrosion by using CRC battery cleaner and battery post brush. Then, spray all the metal components with this battery terminal protector. It works on the hold downs, bolts, brackets, and terminals. It will leave a red film behind, and once that red is faded away, you know it's time to reapply. And that's it! You can rest easy knowing your favorite summer toys will be ready to rock once the snow melts. All thanks to this week's feature product, the battery terminal protector from CRC. What would you use something like this product on? Got a favorite summer vehicle? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.